Sige po. Bye-bye po. Hi, good morning everybody. It's currently 9 a.m. in this country while I am filming this, and we are currently in London. So for the first time, we're going to have a commentary on the communities, on the structures of the buildings here. This video might be helpful for people who are also learning just like me. Currently, we are in a neighborhood that's already 100 years old. So yung mga bahay dito, no, is already 100 years old. But you will see na very well built yung mga structures nila. Ano? Makakapal yung mga building nila. And as you can see, may uniformity yung mga buildings nila dito. Actually, I think sa halos lahat ng nakikita kong neighborhood, makikita mo na walang color pink, walang color green, walang color red na houses. Kumbaga uniform yung kanilang style sa mga houses nila. Lahat sila sumusunod sa klase ng mga o style ng mga currently ongoing dito sa buong UK. Makikita mo hindi siya dugyot tignan. Pagdating naman sa mga new buildings dito, katulad nung sa condo ng brother-in-law ko, it was just built months ago. And ang kagandahan dun, meron silang sobrang reliable na insulation panels na sobrang kakahapal. Kaya pagdating ng winter, hindi malamig sa loob. Pagdating naman ng summer, hindi mainit sa loob. Ganon ka-quality yung delivery ng mga developers dito. And if we're gonna compare it with the quality that's being produced in some parts of the Philippines, medyo iba. Papapramisan ka ng ganto-ganyan, pero pagdating, maninipis lang. And hopefully, no, yung mga developers natin, shout out naman, mga developers natin, ayusin naman din yung deliveries ng ating mga buildings. Nang sa gayon, hindi naman disappointing yung mga nade-deliver para na rin sa ikakaganda ng ating communities sa Philippines. By the way, papunta kami ngayon sa London. Mamamasyal kami. And nakakatuwa yung mga establishments nila dito. So far, yun ang pinagkaiba. Mga 100 years old up to now is still working very, very well. At yung mga bagong buildings nila, hindi siya yung papangit yung mga deliveries, kundi pa-improve yung mga deliveries ng mga developers, which I'm hoping in the Philippines is also gonna come true in the future. Kasi para sa ikagaganda ng economy natin, yung contribution ng bawat developers. And that's it. I'll see you all around. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.